In this environment, every employee must be safe and must have a mask. And this mask is actually a Cintas mask, where you take the mask at the end of the day, you put it in a little basket, it gets sanitized and cleaned. The next morning, if you're an employee at the hotel, you come back and you have a fresh new mask. One of the most important things in this environment is that you have a sanitizing station everywhere in the hotel. The banquet rooms, the elevators, outside on each floor. This is a critical component right now because everybody's looking for it. It's not a nice to have, it's a must have. And Cintas takes care of it so you don't have to worry about it. Also, they have an electrostatic sprayer. There's a service that come in, Cintas comes in, and they spray the area, and now it's ready to be used again. So when I came in, everybody's wearing a mask, I have a sanitizer, then I see them doing an electrostatic spray. See, Cintas has everything you need.